Hey, my lovely children. Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are doing well. This is your SST teacher, Poonam Avasthi. So, today we are going to learn some frequently asked questions from the lesson resources which we have just now completed. So, from this chapter, from resources, meaning, direct question can come. That what do you understand by the term resource? In define it can come. In 1 marks, what is a resource? Or in 1 marks or in define, both types this question can come. After that, types, all types of resources can come individually, or a direct question can also be thrown to you that write down the types and explain it, or specifically examples can also be asked from the types. In this kind of question we have done in the assignment when we have done this types topic. And question from utility and value can also come. And how does a substance becomes a resource? How can we convert a substance into resource? And then human resource, how human is called a resource, and how can we develop human into resource? So human resource development. After that, what are human made resources? So any kind of example can also be asked to you. Write down 2 examples, 3 examples from which are made by human made resource. And then last very important topic, conservation. Why do we need to do conservation? And what is sustainable development? So from all of these areas, questions can be asked. Few of the questions, just few examples I have mentioned here. For your reference, I will add this sheet in the description box. You can have a look from there also. So what is a resource? We have discussed these questions. And which are the types of resource? Explain it each. When this type of question comes, children, so you have to write all the types and you have to explain with example, because there is no specification given in question number 2. So you have to write what are the types. So you have to write all the types. Make list of human made resources that you can observe around you. You have to mention list. Explain the term sustainable development. You have to write the meaning, which we have done in the assignment also. In the same way you can write. Children, I hope till now you may have understood how to start the answer and how to present it well. Presentation matters a lot, children. So you have to make sure that you are starting with the question or not, and you are compiling it properly or not. Always go as the question is asking you to do. Then question number 5 is, are human resource important? Why? So we have done many times why human resource is important, because human is the only who can utilize all the other resources and make more fruitful resources to us. Human can develop more resources. So the reason we have discussed in the past videos and assignment also, you can go through. How can we convert human into resource? So there were 3 pillars we have discussed: education, health, skill development. So all that you can write here. And explain the duties. I have given different kind of questions on this, that duties of a citizen. So I have given it on your level, that as a student in your school level, what can you do? Now you have to do explain the duties of the citizen to preserve the earth. And why we need to conserve resources. Need we have very clearly done. What is a patent? It can come in define also, and like this question it can also come. Mention features of a developed country, and write your suggestions to conserve resources around your area, school, etc. So these 2 questions, this question and the duties of citizens, are almost similar, you can see, but the presentation of the question will be as per the question demands. These are few examples, and you can say the pattern I want to teach you, that how the questions can be from resources. This all we have done from the chapter. I hope if you all are able to write the answers, it means your lesson is completed now and you have understood all the topics. But if in case you are finding any difficulty and you are not able to understand it after watching videos also, then you can write in the comment box. You all are free for that. I hope now the resources lesson is very clear to you. This is it for today, children. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.